Hello everyone. So continuing with the September 10, 2020 Shift 1 exam, uh, I will be solving for probability in this video. So there are total 7 problems in probability. So two are related to statistics, mean and variance problem, very easy questions, and then a few probability questions, and in the end they have questions on probability distribution and Poisson distribution. Okay, so let us just start with the problems. So first problem is like one of the easiest I have seen in an exam. So the question states that for the following frequency distribution, the variance is what? So I've been given a class interval. Class interval is given to me. Class interval. Frequency is given. So for 0 to 5 frequency is 4, 5 to 10 is 1, 10 to 15 is 10, and 15 to 20 is 3, 20 to 25 is 2. So what is the total of the frequency? Total 5, 15, 18, 20. So this is like saying a class of 20 students, the teacher conducted an exam with a maximum marks of 25. So out of 25 students, out of 20 students, uh, 4 students scored marks between 0 to 5, 1 between 5 to 10, 10 between 10 to 15, 3 between 15 to 20, and 2 between 20 to 25. Okay, so now we are just being asked the variance for the score. So what will I do is I will take a mean of this interval. Okay, what is 0 to 5 mean? So 0 plus 5 by 2 is 2.5. Similarly 7.5, 10 plus 15 by 2, 12.5, 17.5, this will be 22.5. So now if this is A, this is B, this will be what? A into B. 4 into 2.5 is 10, this is 7.5, this is 125, this is 17 times 3 is 51 plus 1.5, 52.5, 22 times 2 is 44 plus 1 is 45. Okay, now total for A into B is 17.5 plus 52, 60, 70, 195, 200, 240. So the mean is equals to 240 by 20 is equals to 12. Mean is 12, right? So for calculation of variance, what do? You have to take this and subtract mu from it. Mu is 12, or should I say just 12 as the mean of the of this given data. 12 minus 2.5, so what is 12? 2.5 minus 12 is minus 9.5. 7.5 minus 12 is minus 7.5 minus 12 is 8 minus 4.5. This will be 0.5. 17 minus 12, 5. So 5.5, 10.5. We know that formula for variance is equals to sigma of x minus x bar whole square. So if this is x bar is 12 and these are the value of x's, so this will be x minus x bar. This whole is divided by n, which is total number of observation. So now I will do x minus x bar whole square. So this is minus 9.5. So 9.5 square. 9.5 square is what you need. Okay. And then 4.5 square, and then 0.5 square, and then 5.5 and 10.5 square. So 9.5 times 9.5 is 90.25. 4.5 square is 20.25. This is 0.25. 5.5 into 5.5. So how you can do that is 5 square is 25 plus half into 2 into 0.5 is 1 into 5. So 25 and 30, and 0.5 square is 0.25. So 30.25. Similarly, like 100 plus 20 plus 0.25. So this will be 100. Sorry, 100 is 10 square plus 10 into 0.5 into 2. 0.5 into 2 is 1. So this will be 100 plus 10 plus 0.5 square is 0.25. So 110.25. Similarly, 9.5 square is 9 square is 81 plus 9 into 2 is 18 plus 0.25 plus 9, sorry. So 90.25. Similarly, 4.25, so 4 square plus 4 plus 0.25. 4 square is 16 plus 4, 20.25. So that is how I have solved them. Now summation of all of this will be what? 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 1.25. So 1, 9 and 2 is 11. 11 and 1 is 12. 3, 1, 4. Okay, so this total is not needed because there is sigma over it, and frequency for this is 4 and this is 1, this is 10, this is 3 and this is 2, so they all have to be multiplied with their corresponding frequencies. So 4 into 90.25. I know this problem is very easy but very time consuming. 90 times 4 is 360, so 361. So 1 times this is just that. 10 times 0.25 is 2.50. 30 times 3 is 90, so 90.75. 2 times 110 is 220.50. Now their summation is what is needed. So 0.5, 0.5, 0.10, 1, 3, 3 and 5 is 8. 8 and 7 is 15. 15 and 5 is 20. So 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 3 and 1 is 4. 4 and 2 is 6. So variance is equals to 695 by 20 is 69.5 by 2 is 34.75. There's a whole lot of calculations in this problem. Very easy problem but wastes a lot of time. What can we say? This is a very easy question. So if your calculations are good, then you're lucky. If the mean of the discrete distribution 8, 9, 6, 5, x, 4, 6, 5 is 6. Mean is given, so 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus x plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. How many are these? 4 and 4 is 8 is 6. So 8 and 9 is 17 and 6 is 23 and 5 is 28, 32, 38, 43. 8 times 6 is 48, so x is equals to 5. Now, so the data is given to us 8, 9, 6, 5, 5, 4, 6, 5. Their mean is given. Now, we just have to find out standard deviation sigma. That's it. So, mean is given, mu is 6, or should I just say x bar is 6. And x's are given, so x minus x bar whole square summation will be what? 8 minus 6 square plus 9 minus 6 square plus 6 minus 6 square plus 5 minus 6 square plus 5 is appearing 1, 2, 3 times. So 5 minus 6 square into 3 plus 4 minus 6 square, and 6 is appearing 1 and 2. So 2 into this, that's it. All the data is covered. This is 4, this is 3 square is 9. This is 0 times 2 is 0. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 2 square is 4. So this is 13, 16, 20. So sigma square is 20 divided by how many data points are there? 8. 5 by 2, 2.5. So standard deviation is what? Square root of 2.5. We know that 1.5 square is 2.25, 1.6 square is 2.56, 2.5 lies between somewhere, so it should be around 1.55. 1.58 is the closest, so I will mark this. I will not waste my time computing the square root of 2.5. If A and B are events of a sample space such that P of A union B is 3 by 4, P of A intersection B is 1 by 4, P of A bar is 2 by 3, then P of A bars intersection B. So this problem may be very difficult if you are not able to conceptualize it or think about it in terms of a diagram. If you just go by the formulas that P of A bar is equals to like what, 1 minus P of A, and then P of A intersection B, you can do it like this, right? P of A bar plus P of B minus P of A bar union B, then you can write this as 1 minus PA, and then do something similar for this. So that will consume a lot of time, and solving these problems in terms of diagram is always desirable and is much easier. So I will show you how I solve these kind of problems. I don't use formulas to solve this kind of problem because that is always an issue. Always we make mistakes in the formulas, and in the end we waste 5 to 10 minutes on the problem and we are not able to solve it. So this first ellipse is A and this first ellipse, second ellipse B, and this whole space is U, universal set. So total probability is 1, and in that we have A and B. Okay, so assume this area, this first area, this is X, this common area is Y, and this area, this one, as Z, and the rest of it outside of A and B I will assume it as P. So there are 4 areas, so P plus X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y plus Z plus P should be equal to 1, and we are given P of A union B. So A union B is this area plus this, which is X plus Y plus Z. That is given to me 3 by 4. P of A intersection B is also given, which is area of A intersection B is Y. So Y is 1 by 4. And P of not A, which is not A. So A is X plus Y, right? So what is area which is not A? 1 minus X plus Y. Or you could have just said P plus Z. 1 minus X plus Y is equals to 2 by 3, which is also equal to P plus Z, because this is equal to 1. Now, so what will be X plus Y? 1 minus 2 by 3, which is 1 by 3. Oh, Y is given, so X is what? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 3. So X is 1 by 12, Y is 1 by 4. What is Z? From here we can find out Z. X is 1 by 12, Y is 1 by 4, plus Z is 3 by 4. So what is Z? Z is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 4. Take 12 as LCM. 9 minus 1 minus 3. So 5 by 12. Z is 5 by 12. X is, Y is 1 by 4. And X is what? 1 by 12. So I solved for all the variables. Now we are being asked A bar intersection B. What is A bar? All the area outside of X and Y. So P and Z. And what is B? Y plus Z. So what is the area which is common between P plus Z and Y plus Z? Z. So the question asks me what is Z. I have already found out the value of Z, which is 5 by 12. So done. It's that easy. Let X and Y be two events of a sample space such that P of X is 1 by 3, P of X given Y is 1 by 2, P of Y given X is 2 by 5. So I will just draw the diagram again. Very easy to solve it like that. This is X set, this is Y set. Let us point these out as A, B, C, and this will be what? 1 minus A plus B plus C. So P of X is 1 by 3. This means what? A plus B is equal to 1 by 3. P of Y given X is 2 by 5. What is P of Y given X? Is P of X intersection Y by P of X is 2 by 5. What is X intersection Y? Is area B. 2 by 5 into P of X. P of X is given to me as 1 by 3. So this will be 2 by 15. So B is 2 by 15. So what is A? 1 by 3 minus 2 by 15. So 15, 5 minus 2. 3 by 15 is what? 1 by 5. So A is 1 by 5 and B is 2 by 15. So P of X given Y is also there, which is half. Employs P of X intersection Y divided by P of Y is equals to half. Now P of X intersection Y is what? B. And P of Y is what? B plus C, which is given to me as 2. This implies that B plus C is equals to 2B, or C is equals to B. C is also equal to 2 by 15. Now P of X intersection Y is 1 by 5. A is 1 by 5, B is 2 by 15, C is also 2 by 15. So P of X intersection Y is what? This is nothing but B, which is 2 by 15. So this option is incorrect. P of Y is what? P of Y will be equal to B plus C. B plus C are both 2 by 15. 4 by 15. Also incorrect. P of X union Y. What is X union Y? A plus B plus C. Which should be equal to what? A is 1 by 5 plus B is 2 by 15 plus C is 2 by 15. So 15 LCM. 3 plus 4. 7 by 15. So option D by default is correct. But let us try to find out this value anyway. P of X bar given Y. This should be equal to what? P of X bar intersection Y by P of Y. What is X bar? All the area outside of A and B, and common with C will be what? C. Y will be C. So all of this area, X bar is what? This area, this whole of this area outside of A and B. And what is P of Y? This area, B and C. What is the common area? C. So this is equal to C. And what is probability of Y? B plus C. They are both equal to 2 by what? 15? 2 by 15, right? Both are 2 by 15. So 2 by 15 divided by 4 by 15, which is equal to half. And it is given to us as half, right? So option D is correct. Now, let A and B be not mutually exclusive events. P of A is given, A intersection B bar is given, so PBA. Again, I will just draw the diagram. I'm not even going to think. I will just draw X, Y, Z. P of A is 4 by 9, so X plus Y is given to me as 4 by 9, right? And P of A intersection B bar. What will be A intersection B bar? B bar is all of the area outside of Y plus Z. B bar outside of Y plus Z, and common with A will be what? Only X. So this is given to me as 3 by 7. So what is Y? 4 by 9 minus 3 by 7. 63. 4 sevens, 9 times 7 is 63. 4 into 7 is 28. 7 times 9 is 63. 3 times 9 is 27. So Y is 1 by 63. And X is 3 by 7. What is being asked from us? P of B given A, which is nothing but P of A intersection B divided by P of A. A intersection B is what? Y. P of A is what? X plus Y. I know the value of both. 63 is the LCM. Seven times 9 is 63. So 3 times 9 plus 1. This is cancelled. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1 is 28. 1 by 28. Solved. If 20% of the boards produced by a machine are defective, so probability of defective bolt is 0.2. Probability of good is 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. Then the probability that out of 4 bolts chosen at random, less than 2 bolts will be defective. So less than 2 will be what? 0 or 1. So what is the probability that 4 out of 4 there are either 0 or either 1 which are defective? So probability that 0 or 1 is equals to probability of 0 plus probability of 1. None are defective. Probability of 0 means none are defective, all are good. First one is good, second one is good, third one is good, fourth one is good. 1 is defective, so probability will be 1 is bad, so 0.2, rest all are good. But while we are doing this second case, either the first bolt may be bad, or the second may be bad, or the third may be bad, or the fourth may be bad. So I have to multiply it with 4. So this is 0.8 raised to the power 4 plus 0.2 into 4 is 0.8. Again 0.8 raised to the power 4. So 2 into 0.8 raised to the power 4. Or 2 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 64. 4 times 4 is 16. Sorry, 16. 4 times 6 is 24. 256. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. 38. 6904. 2 into 0.4096. So 0.8192. There you go. In a book consisting of 600 pages, there are 60 typo errors. Probability that a randomly chosen page will contain almost 2 errors is so lambda. So this is a problem of Poisson distribution. So this is a French word named after the French scientist Poisson, but in India we call it as poison. So I'll stick to poison. But in reality, it's not called as poison. Poison is incorrect. But whatever. Lambda is equals to 60 by 600 is 0.1. Probability for a k is e to the power minus lambda into lambda raised to the power k by k factorial. K is like on a given page there will be either 0 error or 1 error or 2 error or 3 error. So k can go from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to blah 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 to infinity. And when you add all of these probabilities, it will come out to be 1. And how does it come out to be 1? We know that e to the power lambda is 1 plus lambda by 1 factorial plus lambda by 2 factorial plus lambda by like this. So if the k is either 0 or 1 or 2, so this will expand to 1 plus lambda by 1 factorial plus lambda square by 2 factorial plus lambda cube by 3 factorial. In the end, this whole thing, a summation will become e to the power lambda, and product of these two will give you 1. So at most 2 errors. At most 2 errors mean either 0 error or 1 error or 2 errors. So the given probability that is being asked from us is equals to e to the power minus lambda into lambda raised to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus lambda 1 by 1 factorial plus lambda 2 by 2 factorial. And lambda is 60 by 600 or 0.1. So probability is e raised to the power minus 0.1 into, this is 1, 0 factorial is 1, this is 0.1 by 1, 0.1 square is 0.01, 2 factorial is 2, 1 plus this is 1 by 10, this is 1 by 100, so 1 by 200. So this will be 200 plus 20 plus 1 by 200, 221 by 200. Right, so this option is correct. So we are done with all the problems of probability. Next, finally, I want to do calculus. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video. See you next time.